Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10464535. Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10464535 is a replacement electronic control board for Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to replace the original control board in Whirlpool washers that have malfunctioned or failed. This part controls the operation of the washer, including water level, wash cycle selection, temperature settings, and spin speed. It also contains diagnostic information that can be used to troubleshoot problems with the washer. The part number WPW10464535 is compatible with several models of Whirlpool washers, including WPW4800XQ0, WTW48. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for Whirlpool refrigerators. It can fix symptoms such as the refrigerator not cooling, not defrosting, or not running at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the back panel of the refrigerator to access the control board. 3. Disconnect all wires from the old control board and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10464535 control board in its place, making sure to connect all wires in their original positions. 5. Secure the new control board with screws and replace the back panel of the refrigerator. 6. Plug in your refrigerator and test it to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.